back to my channel. Today we're going to do slime. So we have cornflour and shampoo and an orange dye, food color. So first we're going to have the cornflour, then we're going to put the shampoo. So we're going to put shampoo. Three, 4. Now we're going to put the powder. 1, 2, 3, 4, and put more powder if you need to. And now you take this and put this dye, this orange one. And now we mix. And if you have food coloring, put it in and put which one you have, because I have an orange one and I want to do an orange one. Not ready. And now we put a little bit more of this powder. And now we mix again. I think we need more powder. Now we mix a little bit more, a little bit more, and now we mix. For our hands, so we're going to bring the oil in the middle. So we're going to, and this worked. It's so stretchy, look. It's like a cloud slime. Peace. Bye-bye. Because I have it in my hands for a while. So you're going to see how I play it. Guys, see how stretchy it is? This is not that sticky, it's so stretchy. I hope you love the slime with you. This is our slime and I hope you enjoy. And we're going to see you in the next video. Bye!